Hi everyone, how's it going? Today we are going to learn the basic English with the real conversation. Now I have two guests, a boy and a girl, and I am going to ask them some question with their daily activities. But before we start, let's take a look this one. Okay, now I want to ask this girl with almost the same question. Okay, what is your full name?
My full name is Ratu, Zahra.
Okay, what is your nickname?
My nickname is Cara.
Okay, how do I call you?
Will you call me?
Just call me.
Just call me Ra.
Okay, where do you live?
I live in Entrekan.
Okay, what is your address?
Address at Jalan Ratu.
Okay, how old are you?
I am 11 years old.
Okay, are you a student?
Yes, I am.
Okay, where do you go to school?
I go to school at elementary school number 1.
Okay, what class are you in?
I am 6th grade.
Okay, how do you go to school?
I go to school on foot.
Okay, how far from your home to your school?
About 100 meters.
Okay, what subject do you like best?
I like religion subject.
Okay, what is your religion?
My religion is Islam.
Okay, what now about your family? What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Sri.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Mr. Jam.
What is your mother's job?
My mother's job is wife.
Okay. What is your father's job?
My father's job is a business.
Okay. How old is your mother? She is
Is
50 years old.
50 years old.
Okay. How old is your father? He
He
is
is
55 years old.
55 years old.
Okay. What is your hobby?
Hobby is play.
And what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is egg.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is juice.
Okay. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
And what is your favorite pet?
My favorite pet is cat.
How many brothers do you have?
I have 4 brothers.
What is their name? What is your brother's name?
1 Rian, 2 Reza, 3 Rifki, 4
Okay. How many sisters do you have?
have no sister.
Okay. And what time do you go to sleep in the night?
Go to sleep at 9 o'clock.
Okay. What time do you get up in the morning?
Up,
I get up at.
get up at 4 o'clock.
Okay. What time do you go to school?
I
You go to school at.
go to school at 6 o'clock.
Okay. Okay, everybody. I think this is our conversation, real conversation today. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you very much. See you later.